Hi folks, this is Murtuza here, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can build your online business using a very simple process map which I basically set up for my clients. And the second thing I'll show you is the stages where your website will be landing up, the profitability stages, and if your website is not converting well as it should be, then what kind of steps you can take to actually build your online business. Okay, to take the online business from non-profitability stage to the profitability stage. So if your website is not converting, then these are the tips that can help you to actually grow your online business. So if you have seen my past video, I've explained you about this process map that is displayed on this board, but I'll give you a quick rundown on the process map as to how it works when a visitor arrives at your website. So basically the way it works is that a visitor is arriving at your website. Okay, I've explained all this in one of my past videos, so if you have not seen it, make sure you check it out, so it will give you more information as to how this process map works. Okay, so I'll just give you a quick overview as to how this process map works. So a visitor is arriving at your website. Okay, then this is the website. Okay, this is your website. So basically what happens is that your website, the main purpose that you should be focusing on is that your website converts the visitor into a lead. The visitor gives you his name and email address. Okay, that is the main purpose. Basically what you will be doing is you will be displaying your squeeze page. Your squeeze page, that is basically where you give something valuable for free to your visitors. So you'll be displaying your squeeze page at various points on your website. So you have displayed your squeeze page right here, then your squeeze page is on the pop-up, your squeeze page is on every page of your website. Okay, then you have to install a tracking system on your website that will track each and every component of this entire business model. Then basically what you have is that you write articles and you spread it to different article directories and Web 2.0 sites, and these article directories give you link juice. Okay, that is incoming links to your website. Then you write articles for your website, you publish the articles on your blog, and you create a silo structure. So this silo structure basically has your keywords and LSI. LSI are the related keywords of the main keywords on your website. So all these keywords are spread out entirely on your silo structure. Then basically what more you have is you have videos, okay, on your website that basically helps you to convert your website to a much higher extent. And the next thing you have is that you have whenever a person subscribes at your squeeze page, you take them down into an autoresponder email campaign, and you have all the emails set up. That is the first email, second email, third email, fourth email. So you sequence all the emails that will go to your list of subscribers. And then what the two main components that you have in your email is content as well as promotion. So you mix and match these two things in your email campaigns. And basically the main thing you have to set up on your email is list segmentation, so that you can bifurcate your subscribers into various into their specific problems that they are facing. So this is the setup that you have to do. And secondly, you will have your sales funnel in place, that is the product funnel in place, where you will be systematically arranging your products so that they sell as well as build relationship with your subscribers. So you can basically arrange your products from low ticket to a high ticket product, that is $10, $100, $1,000. Okay, so you will connect your sales funnel from your email campaign out here, and then once your sales funnel completes, you will start promoting affiliate products to your subscribers. So this is basically how the entire system works. Now what you do basically is you drive traffic, that is you drive traffic to your website. Okay, and to drive traffic you require three things. Okay, either you spend time, money, or energy. This is T for time, M for energy, and E stands for energy. So you have to either invest all the three things or probably any one of them to drive traffic to your website. Either you spend money to drive traffic to your website by putting in paid ads, or probably you put in your time and efforts by writing articles and doing all the SEO stuff and everything to drive traffic to your website. Okay, so these are three ways that you drive traffic to your website. Now basically what happens is that you are putting your time, money, and energy to drive traffic. So you have to make sure that this entire system converts and is profitable, so that you make money at the end. Okay, This is the money you get out of your sales funnel at the end. Okay, so this is the end goal, and the end goal is to make money along with helping people out on your website. But basically what happens is that your website lands up in one of the three stages. So initially when you start using this process, what happens is that your website is, oops, this is not working. I'll just change my pen, just a second. Okay, basically what happens is that the first stage your website lands up is that your website is not profitable. Okay, your website is not profitable. This is the first stage, because let's say you're putting in $500 per month in advertising campaign, and when you put money into that, you basically see that your website is not making you in $500. So this is the starting point, and this happens to all the newbies. And when this happens, most of the people quit, believing that this business will not work. Okay, so when this happens, you should not panic. Okay, you have to take it coolly, and the first thing that you have to do is you have to focus to get your website into a break-even stage. Okay, break-even stage means whatever money you are investing into your website, at least you should get back that money. So when you get your website from non-profitability to a break-even stage, you're actually, you're growing your website, you're progressing forward. Okay, so the next step is that you have to get your website from non-profitability stage to a break-even stage. Okay, and then the third step is from break-even stage to a profitability stage. Okay, so these are the three steps. That is the non-profitability stage, then the break-even stage, and then the profitability stage. So these are the ladders, these are the milestones that you have to achieve. And when you are in this stage, then you keep making money, okay, out of your efforts. So how you can go about achieving this, how you can go about crossing from non-profitability to break even to profitability stage. The simple way you can do this is increase the conversion of individual components on your website. Okay, that is the main thing that you have to do at this stage. So I'll give you some ideas as to what you should be doing to actually jump your website to the profitability stage. Okay, the first thing you can do is you can actually create more sales funnels on your website. Okay, because when you do this, when you create more sales funnels, let's say your website is in skincare niche. Okay, and now you have created one sales funnel for acne. Okay, that is an acne sales funnel. Now you find that acne sales funnel existing on your website is not making that good money. So now you can set up a second sales funnel for wrinkles, third sales funnel for fairness skin, skin glow. You can set up a fourth sales funnel probably for something like pigmentation, solving pigmentation. You can set up a fifth sales funnel to convert your coaching program, skincare coaching program. You can set up a sixth sales funnel for converting your consultation package. Okay, so add more sales funnels. When you have more sales funnels, you have more chances to sell something to your subscribers. Okay, and when you have more sales funnel, you have more list segments in it. Okay, so you have more chances of converting higher amount of people on your website. Then increase your affiliate product promotion. There are hundreds of affiliate products out there online. Make sure you get few of these products and review them. Okay, give an honest review to your subscribers, because just don't promote anything, just don't promote any crap just for the sake of making money. Give honest recommendations about affiliate offers to your subscribers, and this will increase your revenue. Secondly, you can add free offers, okay, free product offers or free bonuses to increase the chances of your product sales. Okay, so spread out free bonuses within your sales funnels. So this will increase conversions. Add scarcity at various points within your sales funnel. Scarcity offers with free offers, okay, free bonuses. So what happens is that this increases the conversions at various levels. Then the next thing you can do is increase your follow-up emails. Okay, you can add more valuable content, quality content in your follow-up emails. So the better the emails, the better the content, the better are your chances to increase your product sales. Because if you give crap content, just crap content for the sake of giving it, So your subscribers will immediately relate the quality of your free content with your product, okay, and they will not purchase your product. So give superb content, and when you do this, they will purchase your products. Okay, be helpful and give value. Your sales and your profits will be in equal proportion to the value you give to your website visitors and subscribers. So keep that in mind. Okay, then add more videos to your website. Create more videos, because you have more videos, more content on your website, you get more search engine traffic. Okay, increase the articles on your website. More articles you have on your website, more traffic you will be getting. Increase the submission rate of your articles. Okay, get more links to your website. Increase the quality of the content. As I said, don't give crap content. If your website articles have crap content, you will not make money. Okay, that is for sure. Give quality content and people will look for your products and they will purchase your products. Okay, people love to buy, but they don't like people selling them. So don't be salesy, be helpful, add value, give quality, and people will purchase from you. So this is the most important key, so keep that in mind. Okay, the next thing you can do is make sure you increase the conversion rate of your squeeze page, because that is the point from where the leads are coming into your entire funnel. Okay, so try, if you have a static squeeze page, try adding videos and see if the conversions are increasing. Add some other offer and see if the conversion is increasing. Okay, or you can even go about adding more squeeze pages on your website. Okay, if you have one squeeze page, add 2 squeeze pages, 3 or 4 squeeze pages. Add one of my clients where I added 11 squeeze pages on their website, and after doing that, then the content website conversion went to 9 to 10%. Okay, so if you have one squeeze page and you're getting, let's say, 3 to 4% conversion rate, and if you have more squeeze pages, probably that can touch to 7 to 10% conversions. Okay, so that is also one of the most important things that you can do. Focus on list segmentation. Okay, segment your list, survey your website visitors based on the exact problems that they are having, and then get people to subscribe in specific lists. And when they subscribe in specific lists, promote them specific content as well as offers. Okay, don't give everything to everyone. Okay, so if you are into a skincare niche, then just don't keep blasting skincare related content. Ask everyone what are their problems, and then segment them into acne, wrinkles, pigmentation, and all these kind of lists, and then give them very specific content. If you do this, your open rates will increase, email open rates, and your conversions will increase. Okay, so these are just the then tracking. Use your tracking to the maximum extent, because your tracking software will show you where are the loopholes, what is not converting, which products are not converting, which sales funnel is not good. Okay, if your squeeze pages, whether your squeeze page is converting or not, whether your emails are getting opened or not. Okay, so these are the minute things you have to keep in mind, okay, before you make any decision. Okay, so these are the few of the things that you can do on your website, and when you do this, your actually profitability, your site will go from non-profitable state to a break-even state, and from break-even state to a profitability state. And when this happens, you have completed testing part of your system. Then all you have to do is increase the speed of the system. Try to increase the speed of the system and start reinvesting the profits, and then your business keeps growing. Okay, so this is something which is extremely important that you have to do, so that, because when you create a website, there is no surety that your website will be profitable. If it's not profitable, don't think that it was a waste of your time, and just don't quit. Okay, you have to keep working so that your website moves from year to year. Okay, and in this video I have given you most of the tips and some big systems that you can focus to actually increase the profitability of your website. So with this I'll end up this video, and before I end up this video, I want to let you know about my done for you service. Just click on the link right below this video, and I'll be giving you an entire presentation on the done for you service that I have created, where I as well as my team will help you to set up this entire system for you. We will be working for you, and we will write 100 articles for your website. Okay, and we will be publishing the articles on your blog, create the silo structure, do the link building part, help you to create the sales funnel, set up your email campaigns, Okay, all these components, set up your tracking system, squeeze pages, design your websites, create your products. So everything that I have mentioned out here, we will be doing for you. Okay, so that you don't have to mess around with all this stuff. And while we will be doing it for you, we will also train you for the next 12 months. We'll be giving you coaching, consultation, training. You'll get phone-based coaching, email-based coaching from me, and all the technical setup things and everything. And you will see the price tag, it is dirt cheap, and actually it will help you to take your online business to the next level when you have someone working for you. Okay, so if this sounds interesting, click the link right below this video and I'll give you more details. Okay, so I'll just end up this video, and I hope you have got great value by watching this video, and hope to see you at the other end. Goodbye.